Welcome! If you're considering software development services, you might be curious about the procedure we adhere to, aptly named as the Software Development Life Cycle, or in short, the SDLC. It is a systematic process that aligns our development team's efforts to produce efficient, high-quality software that is tailored specifically for your requirements. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start without a plan, right? Similarly, we start with a blueprint, proceed to construction, and finish with the final touches. That's the essence of SDLC. The first phase is gathering requirements. This is where we understand your needs and expectations. It's like an architect consulting with you before designing your dream house. We ensure we have a clear understanding of your project needs before we start. This certain that the software meets user expectations and avoids costly rework and project delays later. And next, we design the system. We start to imagine the application's structure, UI, and behavior, similar to the way an architect would create a sketch of a house design. This is a fundamental step in molding the final product. This approach makes it easier to understand, test, maintain, reuse, scale, and refactor project codes. Then we move on to coding. This is where the real construction begins. Our team follows best practices to craft clean and efficient code, bringing the design to life. After coding, we test the software. It's like a house inspection, ensuring everything works as it should. We use automated tools to streamline this process. Once the software clears all tests, we proceed to its deployment. It's similar to moving into your new house. We arrange everything, check that it's functioning correctly, and finally, hand you the keys. The final phase is maintenance and support. We take care of any bugs that might pop up, continuously monitor the app performance, make software secure from hacking, manage the hosting on your behalf, address common user issues, and upgrade the codes and systems when necessary. It's like the ongoing care, just like upkeep of a home to ensure it continues to serve its purpose effectively. So why is SDLC so important in project development, you ask? It provides a structured approach to software development, making the process both more efficient and manageable. Additionally, it assists in reducing errors, augmentation of software quality, and guarantees your satisfaction. In summary, SDLC is a systematic process that helps us efficiently create software. Involves several phases: requirements gathering, system design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Each phase plays a crucial role in ensuring the software's quality and effectiveness. Whether you're a business owner, a project manager, or just someone interested in the process of software creation, understanding SDLC is essential. It's the blueprint that guides us in building effective, high-quality software that truly meets your needs.
Who are we? We are a distinguished team of experts at NetCogs Technologies Private Limited, specializing in the seamless integration of software development, UI designing, and digital marketing services. Our commitment extends beyond mere services. We are architects of tailored solutions, designers of compelling user experiences, and strategists driving measurable digital impact. With precision and proficiency, we navigate the intersection of technology and creativity, delivering results that exceed expectations. Choose NetCogs for a partnership defined by excellence, innovation, and unwavering dedication to your digital success.